You've probably been in that meeting where some senior executive says, "Let's use machine learning," like it's the most brilliant idea of the year. And you use all of your self-control not to roll your eyes and mutter, "Management by In-Flight magazine." Machine learning may be the most powerful software ever, but it's not magic. It's not good at solving all problems. So what do you say? Today, I'm going to help you figure out when machine learning is overkill and when it is the right tool for the job. Remember that machine learning is really good at correlation. People with this trait usually have that trait. People with kids buy more cereal. Segmentation. These people are more alike than others. They like to log on early in the day. Clustering. There are 10 distinct groups of people, and you can message them differently. And anomalies. These people are standouts. They don't look like anybody else. There may be something wrong with the data, or there might be a business opportunity hidden inside. In other words, machine learning is good for ranking, sorting, finding patterns, finding lookalikes, and finding that needle in a haystack. So you're looking for repetitive, high-volume tasks with lots and lots of clean data, like social media monitoring. Which of these tweets should get a canned response? Which should get reviewed by a human? Which should we just ignore? Or advertising, or testing, or personalization, lead scoring, things like that. The most important step is figuring out if any other method can solve the problem or answer the question. You don't want to fire up an 18-wheeler to run down to the corner store. You don't need a cannon to swat a fly. Machine learning might be the coolest thing to hit the marketing department, but it costs a lot more than using a spreadsheet or building a statistical model by hand. Let these key questions be your guide when considering machine learning for a given project. Do you have tens of thousands or millions of examples? That would be customers or transactions or ad placements. Do you have an overwhelming number of combinations of elements? Maybe you have 1,000 variables or traits about each customer to sift through and correlate. Is your data squeaky clean? If not, the cost just went way up because you have to clean it first. Is your data well labeled? Context is everything. Otherwise, it's just noise. Are you sure simpler methods won't work? Try Excel first. Heck, sometimes you could just flip a coin to make some decisions. Do you have clear goals? You need an unmistakable definition of what success looks like. What will you do with the answer? If you could simply Google the answer, would it have an impact on the business? Yes? Good. But what if it costs $50,000 and took 6 weeks to answer the question? Is it still worth it? You bring these questions to the table next time somebody asks if they can use machine learning, and you will instantly be seen as the most well-informed marketing professional on the planet. Because this list, it hasn't hit the in-flight magazines yet. And this exercise sheet can help you every time.